What if becoming a millionaire in 2026 wasn't about luck, but about timing? And what if that timing is right now? Because AI is exploding faster than the internet in 1999. And the people who move first will own the future. So here's the real question: if you had 1 year, no rich parents, no investor, no special skills, just Wi-Fi and a laptop, could you still become a millionaire? My answer? Absolutely. Because in 2026, AI is the cheat code. And today, I'm revealing exactly what I'd do if I had to start from zero. No fluff, no theory, just the blueprint. But before we dive in, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Alright, let's open the vault. Imagine waking up tomorrow and knowing the next 365 days could change your net worth forever. Imagine seeing a trend before everyone else. Imagine stacking AI automations while you sleep. Imagine services running without you lifting a finger. This isn't a fantasy anymore. This is what the top 1% are already doing, quietly. So why not you? Why not this year? Why not today? Most people will watch AI happen, some will fear it, a few will use it, and a tiny percentage will weaponize it into wealth. Which one will you be? Because I know which one I'd choose. And that's why I'm giving you the exact path I'd follow. The path that leads to your first million. No gatekeeping. No guru tricks. Just what works in 2026. Ready? Let's build your AI empire. To get rich fast, you don't chase everything. You find one gold vein and dig relentlessly. In 2026, the gold veins are simple: AI services, AI automation, AI content production, AI data extraction, AI tool arbitrage. And the best part? Most people don't even know these exist yet. That's why the opportunity is insane. If I were starting today, I'd create a no-face AI business in 48 hours. Why? Because you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need a team. You don't even need experience. AI does the heavy lifting now. Your job is just to press, generate. Here are the exact models I choose: AI YouTube automation, AI copywriting micro agency, AI sales funnels building, AI short form content engine, AI lead gen automation for small businesses, AI productization of niche tasks. These aren't trends. These are wealth machines. Let's break the best ones down. In 2026, faceless channels are dominating. You write 0 scripts. You record 0 audio. You edit nothing. AI handles every piece. Your job? Choose high-demand niches and upload consistently. YouTube does the rest. And yes, this can hit 5 to 6 figures fast. Businesses don't want content, they want content on demand. AI gives you the ability to deliver that instantly. You become the speed agency, the always-on creator. The person who never sleeps because AI does the work. This is the most underpriced service model right now. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. This is the big money. AI agents are replacing human teams. You can build systems that run entire businesses. Sales automation, customer service agents, email responders, appointment setters. These aren't complicated anymore. Tools exist that build them for you. You just customize and install. Businesses will pay $300 to $3,000 per month for it. 1 business equals rent. 10 businesses equals freedom. If you want to print money, master this: scrape data. Clean it with AI. Sell it as lead lists. High demand. 0 competition. Extreme scalability. Most people sell services. Millionaires sell systems. You create a repeatable AI process, turn it into a product, sell it unlimited times. This is how you escape the time for money trap. Once you start making real money, the next step is multiplying it. AI forecasting tools are becoming insanely accurate. You can use AI to spot market patterns, predict trends earlier, and place smarter bets than most people. You don't need to gamble. You need data. Millionaires aren't born from intensity. They're built from consistency. Every day, you do 3 things. Learn for 20 minutes. Build for 40 minutes. Sell for 30 minutes. That's it. This formula never loses. The rich don't work harder. They build layers of automation. You set up one system, then another, until your income becomes a chain reaction. That's how millionaires think. The fastest way to money? Own attention. TikTok, Shorts, Reels. AI makes producing content effortless. And attention equals customers. Customers equals money. Now you create your money magnet, your digital offer, course, template, ebook, SaaS tool, automation package, anything that sells 24/7. Once you're profitable, you scale with smart ads powered by AI. AI handles targeting. AI handles testing. AI handles optimization. To multiply everything, you build your AI stack, AI researcher, AI writer, AI designer, AI editor, AI agent for admin. This becomes your team. Make money. Automate money. Scale money. Invest money. Repeat. Stop asking, what's the easiest? Start asking, what scales infinitely? That's how millionaires think. The world is changing too fast to wait for permission. You don't need perfect skills. You don't need the best idea. You don't need confidence. You just need motion. Most people lose because they overthink. Winners test fast, fail fast, learn fast, win fast. If I wanted to become a millionaire in 2026, I wouldn't daydream. I wouldn't wait. I wouldn't doubt. I'd execute this plan ruthlessly. Because this window won't stay open forever. The people who win are the ones who move now. And now, the moment you waited for. The tool that made me $100 in a single test run. An AI that turns one prompt into a fully automated income workflow. This is the tool that started everything for me, and it's the one most people overlook. Let me show you exactly how it works. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Don't just watch the AI revolution. Become the one who profits from it. This is your moment. Your window. Your year. Build something today. Even if it's small. Even if it's messy. Even if you don't feel ready. Your first dollar leads to your first 100. Your first 100 leads to your first 1,000. Your first 1,000 leads to your first million. And AI is the bridge that gets you there faster. Don't waste this chance. Because 2026 is coming fast. And the ones who start now will be the millionaires everyone talks about later. Let's build your future. One AI system at a time. One idea at a time. One execution at a time. You're closer than you think. You just need to begin. Right here. Right now. This is your blueprint. This is your path. This is your moment. Use it. Build with it. Grow with it. Fail with it. Win with it. But whatever you do, don't stand still. Not now. Not during the biggest shift of our lifetime. You have the tools. You have the time. You have the opportunity. So step forward. Claim your spot. And rewrite your financial destiny. Because the future belongs to the ones who build it. And the future starts with AI. Starts with you. Starts today. Hit subscribe. Hit the bell button. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe now. Your millionaire journey begins. Let's get to work. See you tomorrow.